Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the Lionsgate app not working. So let's get started. So you have to follow these steps. So here I can see the Lionsgate app. So here we can see Lionsgate. So if it's not work, you have to follow these steps. So first of all you have to press and hold it here. Just click on this I button. Then here you have to scroll down and go for the storage. Then here you have to click on the clear data option. Clear the data, delete the data and open it again. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work, you have to go at here Google Play Store and search for the Lionsgate app. Okay, just search for Lionsgate Play. Okay, then here you have to check for update. If it's up to date, then fine. If it's not, you have to update it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.